Morning guys, so checking on my garden. Here's my bougainvillea thriving. So happy. My basil still good, so I don't want to pull them yet because I want to get all the dry seeds and daming seeds. So here guys, I want to show you this one. So look at this. This is actually carrots, but I don't want to pull it because I want to save the seeds. So I'm gonna let it grow. Actually, I want later on when it get dried up, pag natuyo na siya, I'm gonna harvest the leaves kasi my sister-in-law wants the leaves for her pet. And of course, I'm gonna save all the seeds. Ayan. Look at this, so pretty. Oh my gosh, I'm excited for the seeds kasi I want to plant carrots. I want to plant more. So this is my basil. This is the Thai basil. I'm drying them too. I'm drying it so I can get the seeds also. Ayan, oh, daming seeds yan. A lot of seeds. And then sunflowers. So my sunflowers don't have flowers yet, obviously. But I'm also excited. I think I'm gonna get them, of course, in maybe a few weeks. Yeah, so under the sunflower, I have zinnias. Yeah, look at the zinnias, guys. Look at it. So pretty. Yeah. And then I'm gonna show you under the sunflowers also, I have bok choy. Ayan, bok choy. Oh, diba? So cool. You can plant a variety of plants in one raised bed. Ayan yung bok choy. More bok choy here. Yeah, diba? So cool. I love doing this. I love planting flowers and veggies in one raised bed kasi I want the bees to pollinate the flowers. Ayan. Para makakuha naman ako ng maraming seeds, diba? So, ayan. Look at this. So big. It's almost as tall as my fence. Yeah. Love it. Look at this one. One. Look at this pretty flowers. Yeah, so pretty, guys. Oh my god. I love flowers. I'm obsessed. Obsessed ako sa flowers, obviously. Kaya nagtatanim ako ng flowers and veggies sa garden ko. So yeah, I'll show you more. And then here, I have the covered raised bed. So I put net because I want to plant a lot of greens here. So I planted bok choy. Ayan. Konti lang siya. Just a little bit bok choy there. And then here, I have my wildflowers. Ay, nako, tingnan mo naman yan. Tumubo lang siya. Hindi ko tinanim to, guys. I didn't plant this one. Just grow by itself. And here, look at the zinnias. So, the zinnias, if you notice, there's seeds on top of the flowers. Ayan. Ayan o. So, yan yung mga tumutubo lang siya sa garden. I just sprinkle it all over the garden. And then tutubo na siya, guys. Ayan. So here is my zinnias again. More zinnias. Ayan. These are just wild. I mean, not wild, but I did not plant them here. They grow from the seeds. Ayan. From the seeds lang to. So isa na sa aking fast. Naglagay ako ng maraming sunblock today. Ayan. And look at the flowers. Look at the roses, guys. Look at this. Oh my gosh. So pretty. So pretty. Ang ganda ng mga flowers. So this is my stress reliever. My garden of flowers. Ayan, mga garden ng aking ang garden ko na mga puro flowers. All the way down there, meron ako mga flower plants. Look at this. So yeah, just quick tour lang today. Marami pa. Wala lang akong... Tomorrow, I will tour you sa aking mga succulents. Na-addict din ako sa mga succulents, guys. So, I wanna show them to you. Anyway, have a good day. Happy Saturday, everybody.